Hey, JakeOfALL.
Oh.
So,
I feel like you always are setting me up for something on these.
yeah.
What kind of video am I doing now?
Well, these boxes are kind of, I know they're small, but they're taking up a lot of space in the house.
The garage only has so much space.
Well, luckily you got all these packouts you can put it on.
All right, so I haven't even opened it.
Okay.
You've opened them. So what am I doing?
Can you see them? Yeah. So these go somewhere, right?
Yeah.
On the packout?
Yeah. I think, yeah. These
So
are
we've got
rail
one.
accessories.
We got one here, and we got another one here. So actually, you know what? Instead of you keeping them, why don't we?
You want to do a giveaway?
Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway at the end of the video.
So what is this?
Stick around.
What kind of video is this?
It's a quick tip.
Oh, so we're doing a quick tip.
I'm gonna make them do a quick tip video. How to install these.
Packout rail accessories.
Yeah, and then we're gonna give them away at the end.
Okay, and you guys can win it. All
okay,
right.
I'm gonna go behind the camera now. I'm gonna go help be the camera girl, and you do all the hard work.
All right, let's get going.
I don't do that.
Okay.
All right, JakeOfALL, you ready? I'm behind the camera now.
All right. Well, everyone would rather. How about you install? Oh, okay. All right. So let me show you this.
Yeah.
Bison.
Hold still. Yep. Okay.
Injection molded, right? So these aren't 3D printed.
Fancy.
It's mold, right? It's ABS. It's made in the USA. Looks pretty strong. So this is like a cord holder, tube, vacuum hose, things like that. He also has a level option. So you have a top and a bottom pocket. This is nice because it's ambidextrous, right word. You can use left or right side of your packout, and then you have the top side of the bracket. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install these.
Does that mean that packouts are unisex?
Unisex. Ambidextrous. You're weird. Let's install this. Let's show.
Okay.
All right, come here. Okay, so we're gonna do the typical undo the screw, pull the rail down, undo the screw. Okay. Pull your rails down. Let's see how well. A lot of people install these on the front. That gives you a little bit more wrap room. But on this unit with the handle, plus I'm giving these away, so I am not going to install the self-tapping screws. I can tell you that I have done other brands of these, and when you do a set screw, it can be a little bit less damaging to the rail, but if you tighten them down, it's going to be the same. Now these I've shown you once before. If that happens and it doesn't want to go in, put your screwdriver in, pop your cap off, push your rail all the way up like that. Then hold it at the bottom.
Just give it a little smack.
Just smack her in the hole, right? We'll do the same thing here. Pop. She won't listen. We'll pop her out.
You gotta be gentle.
Put the rail in, line it up into the aluminum profile, slap it in, drive your screw in. Now, as I was saying with these, I am not going to put the set screws. I don't like drilling screws into these rails, but they are included. They're countersunk. Looks like a zinc or stainless, so nice screws. If it's permanent on your packout, great. It won't be on mine. Honestly, on this smaller one, it would be fine to wrap a cord and still not be attached. So let's go ahead and let's do the level holder. How about that?
Okay.
All right, so I have the bottom installed. Now, when you have a shorter packout like this, you're gonna want to take another packout, put it on top and install a bracket, but let me show you. If you've got a drawer unit, right, or a bottom unit, or if you have the XL, you could install both brackets for your level on the same rail, and then you don't have to make sure you include your top packout. But apparently I trash stuff in my foot. It's pretty simple, just like the other one. There's a screw over here, pretty simple, right? This is a quick tip, so we're showing them. So camera.
Sorry.
Right, this one you gotta take the screw out, slide the rail down, okay? Make sure you put it in the same direction, because it only wants to go one direction.
Dun-dunce.
Locks into place. Drive your screw in. Tighten your top down. Okay, now, boom. So in your packout stack, you would have to have these two attached, right? So now we'll just load our stack. We can take our level. Ready to go with this. And one thing I want to show you is that if you do like I did, I didn't use any of the set screws because I don't like modifying the rails. But with this being in this, it's not going to go anywhere. It literally only has that much room. I sort of like that. The cord holders, it honestly would be fine if they sag. So boom. And it's nice that they're injection molded. Durable, definitely seems like it. So definitely a win. Actually, any kind of PACKOUT organization for me is a win. So, you know, you're always going to have my seal of approval. And it's definitely quality. This one here, this can also do... I don't have my bender right here, but look. It can also be a broom. But if you have your pipe bender, you could put that in there, or any other object. Big SDS bit would probably fit in there. Smaller hammers, screwdrivers, pry bars. So it's nice because, you know, actually fish tapes will fit in there as well. So this, oh, hold on. I can see something else. I wanted to do it better justice, right? So this just being a universal hook, right? Perfect. Like I said, you could certainly do your broom and your fish tapes and your pipe benders. But look, it also has this, so you can put squares. You could really put anything else. But these hooks as well are perfect. So now you've got your stack and you can pack out of here.
All right. Stop monkeying around. We got business to get to.
I'm done.
You got to unload those. Unload them so we can give them away.
Oh, I got to take them off. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, that's right. We were going to give these away.
Yeah, okay. Snap to it.
All right.
All right, so I'm going to get JakeOfALL to undo those from the PACKOUT. He didn't screw them in, so they're pretty much not touched. But how are we going to give these guys away?
Well, first, you guys, make sure you check out Bison. I will include information in the description.
Good idea.
But I thought you picked the way.
Yes. Okay, so they have to be following you.
Well,
and
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, because this is YouTube.
Know the term.
Yes. So they have to subscribe to you, and then you have to comment your profession.
That's it?
Yeah.
How many winners? Hold on, let me fix something.
It's.
There we go.
They're sweaty.
Okay. So
2
as she
winners.
was saying,
I can do it this way.
follow me, subscribe, do me a favor, also hit that notification so you get these videos, because, you know, giveaways like this, typically do more of these on YouTube, so you want to know when these videos are coming out.
Right.
So follow me, comment below your profession, 2 winners. Also, comment if you think I should start a GoFundMe for some air conditioning. As much as we like seeing some of us sweaty,
yeah.
I'm probably soaking wet by now.
Yep.
And if you don't want to wait for a winner, check out Bison. His information will be in the description. You guys have a good one. I'm the JakeOfALL.
It's time to pack out because I'm hot.
Who are you?
I'm PACKOUT princess.
Lower the camera again for a second. I'm down here.
Pack out princess.
Perfect.
All right,
See
say
ya.
goodbye.